Important safety precautions to take when handling hot oil. Always wear your PPE. Let's review all the products needed to install your flat sheet Masterfil filter. Filter pan, screen, Masterfil filter, hold down ring. Next is the easy installation process. Make sure you inspect your O-rings to ensure they are not missing or damaged. First, place screen and filter pan. Take the Masterfil filter and place on top of screen. Place the hold-down ring on top of the Masterfil filter. And lastly, slide assembled filter pan into the fryer, aligning the pickup tube with the fryer port. Cleaning the Masterfil filter is a key step for success and an easy task to complete. First, slide the filter pan out from the fryer. Do not remove or lift the hold-down ring during daily scraping. Take the master scoop and scrape filter at a 90-degree angle, scraping debris to one side. Once the filter is scraped, scoop all debris and dispose. Slide assembled filter pan into fryer. It is important to remember Masterfil filters last for 7 days. Discard Masterfil filter, clean and dry pan, and install new filter. Scrape filter twice a day to extend oil life, and do not get filter wet.